Ever wondered about the origins of algebra or algorithms? Thank Muslim scientists. The first among them, Ibn Hayyan, fathered chemistry and introduced groundbreaking chemical concepts and techniques that are still used today. His discovery of sulfuric and nitric acid revolutionized our world. His legacy, a blend of scientific inquiry, curiosity, and wonder, continues to inspire today's scientists. Without Ibn Hayyan's work, modern chemistry might not exist. Ever wondered who first understood the intricate workings of the human eye? It was a Muslim scientist, Ibn al-Haytham. Ibn al-Haytham, born in the 10th century, was a polymath from Basra, known as the father of modern optics. His pioneering work laid the groundwork for much of what we understand about vision and light today. Fascinated by the behavior of light, he was the first to realize that we see objects when light bounces off them and enters our eyes. This might seem obvious to us now, but at the time it was a revolutionary idea that challenged centuries of Greek theories. One of his most significant contributions was the invention of the first pinhole camera, or camera obscura, as it's known today. This simple device, essentially a darkened box with a small hole in one side, projected an image of the outside world onto the opposite side. This was a groundbreaking discovery that played a crucial role in the development of photography centuries later. Now, let's shift our focus to another Muslim pioneer, al-Zarawi. Known in the West as Abul Qasis, he was a physician, surgeon, and chemist born in the 10th century in Al-Andalus, modern-day Spain. Al-Zarawi is often considered the father of surgery. His 30-volume medical encyclopedia, Al-Tasrif, covered a broad range of medical topics including dentistry, childbirth, and pharmacology. But it was his detailed descriptions of surgical procedures that truly set him apart. His work was so influential that Al-Tasrif was used as a standard medical text in European universities for over 500 years. Al-Zarawi's pioneering techniques, many of which are still in use today, have saved countless lives over the centuries. So the next time you put on a pair of glasses to read a book or gaze at a photograph, remember Ibn al-Haytham. And the next time you hear about a life-saving surgical procedure, think of al-Zarawi. Our understanding of the human body and our ability to perform complex surgeries owe a lot to these Muslim pioneers. The legacy of these early Muslim scientists continues to inspire and guide many in the scientific field today. Their influence is evident in the works of contemporary Muslim scientists who have pushed the boundaries of knowledge in their respective fields. Consider, for example, Dr. Abdus Salam. He was a theoretical physicist from Pakistan, and his groundbreaking work led to his becoming the first Muslim scientist to win the Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 1979. His most notable contribution to the world of science was his electroweak unification theory. This theory combined two of the four fundamental forces of nature, electromagnetism and the weak nuclear force, into one single force. This was a monumental step in the quest to understand the fundamental forces of the universe. And then there's Farouk Elbaz, an Egyptian-American space scientist. His significant contributions to the Apollo program of NASA in the late 60s and early 70s were instrumental in the success of the moon landing. His pioneering work on lunar geology and remote sensing techniques have not only aided in space exploration, but also in the understanding of our own planet. These are just two examples out of many. There are countless Muslim scientists today contributing to various scientific fields, from medicine and engineering to computer science and environmental studies. They are part of a long and distinguished lineage of Muslim scholars and scientists who have been at the forefront of scientific and technological advancements for centuries. Their work, like that of their predecessors, is not just about the pursuit of knowledge for its own sake. It is also about using this knowledge for the betterment of humanity, to solve our problems, to improve our lives, and to understand our place in the universe. The contributions of Muslim scientists, both past and present, continue to shape and enrich our world in countless ways.